How to hide last seen on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the privacy control section, and from there click on see my location. Here you will see the option and the feature that says ghost mode, and it has a toggle next to it that's turned off, so click on that toggle. Once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you, do you want to enable ghost mode? And it tells you that your friend can see your location while you're in ghost mode, and your ghost trial will be cleared. And you will have some options here of periods that you can choose from as to when with ghost mode will be automatically disabled. So you choose whatever option suits you the best. Say for example, I'm going to choose until turned off, and by doing that, your last scene will be hidden until you turn off the ghost mode again. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off your active status on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.